Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, India's AMCA program with F414 engine and next generation collaboration. GE is poised to revolutionize India's aerospace industry with its cutting edge engine technology, currently negotiating a deal with HAL for the F414 engine. GE is pushing the boundaries of collaboration by proposing a significant transfer of technology agreement aiming for an impressive 80% TOT. Next, Army to achieve self-reliance in ammunition by 2025 to 26. The Indian Army has made significant strides towards self-sufficiency in ammunition production. In a major push towards indigenization, the Army has identified local sources for nearly 150 out of the 175 types of ammunition it utilizes. The initiative aims to eliminate ammunition imports by the financial year 2025 to 26. Next, delivery of first upgraded Tejas fighter in July. The Indian Air Force is set to receive its first LCA Mark 1A fighter jet in July 2024 from HAL. This marks a slightly delay from the initial February-March timeframe due to technical reasons. HAL successfully conducted the maiden flight of the upgraded Tejas in March, paving the way for its integration into the IAF's arsenal. Next, ISRO's next-gen launch vehicle nears completion. The ISRO is on the verge of finalizing the design of its next-generation launch vehicle. This new heavy-lift rocket is poised to take over the reins from the PSLV, ISRO's workhorse that has served the nation for decades. While the NGLV's design is nearing completion, ISRO officials are awaiting government approval to proceed with the next stage of development. This green light is crucial for translating the design into the functional launch vehicle. Next, used Airbus 319s for next-gen spy planes. The Indian Air Force is gearing up to acquire new spy planes for enhanced intelligence gathering and communication disruption capabilities. The plan involves procuring Airbus 319 class aircraft, likely pre-owned, to be converted into state-of-the-art military platforms. The project, spearheaded by the Center for Airborne Studies, aims to develop 3 new signal intelligence and communication jamming system aircraft. These next-generation spy planes will be crucial for bolstering India's aerial surveillance and communication dominance. Next, full FSV project award to HSL, that is Hindustan Shipyard Limited. The Center of Indian Trade Unions has waded into the controversy surrounding the construction of 5 fleet support vessels for the Indian Navy. The union has urged HSL to construct all 5 vessels at its own facility, criticizing the reported allocation of 2 vessels to Larsen and Toubro. The central government awarded a 20,000 crore contract to HSL for the contribution of these 5 FSVs. Next, Indian pilot to tour space on Blue Origin's next flight on May 19, that is day after tomorrow. Captain Gopichand Thotakura, a pilot, is set to become the first Indian to travel to the edge of space on Blue Origin's next flight on May 19th, the company announced on Thursday. He will become the second Indian to visit space after Rakesh Sharma's iconic journey aboard Russian Soyuz T-11 in 1984. After Rakesh Sharma, only people of Indian origin have been space is Kalpana Chawla 1997, Sunita Williams 2006 and Rajachari 2021 as NASA astronauts. Thank you.